Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant error code Val 62 problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to set automatic VGC service. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In here you just need to find VGC service, double click on it. Startup type set to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. After starting it, select apply and OK for save changes. After doing it, just close stuff here. Go to search menu and type ms config. Click on open the system configuration. Go to services tab, and in this list you just need to check mark hide all Microsoft services and search for VGC service. You just need to check mark it guys. After check marking it, select OK to save changes. Now you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Select startup apps. In here you just need to enable the right Vanguard and right client services. After enabling both of it, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to delete VGC service and write Vanguard. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these both commands, you just need to close stuff here. Go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program. Search for write Vanguard. You just need to right click on it and select uninstall. Select yes. Select yes again. Now you need to press in keyboard F5 to refresh this page. And that has been deleted guys. Just to close stuff here. Now you just need to open up Valorant. After opening the Valorant, select the update option to install Vanguard. After getting this done, you just need to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to use a VPN. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download Proton VPN option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to install it, and after installing it, open it. Select the quick connect and connect to the VPN guys. After connecting the VPN, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.